Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this super fun yet wearable pop of orange on the eyes. So first I'm going to take the shade Golden Ochre on a blending brush and I'm going to apply it on my crease as a transition shade. I'm going to use both back and forth as well as circular motions. Then on a flat brush, I'm going to take the shade Wearable and I'm going to pack it all over my eyelid. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to soften up the edges and blend it into the transition shade. This neon orange shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and I am just going to pop this right in the inner corner as well as the inner parts of the lower and the upper eyelid. Then I'm going to take the shade Real Gar on a pointed crease brush and I'm going to apply this on the lower eyelid close to the lash line. Then a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to apply some mascara, some lip liner, and some lipstick. I'm going to do my brows and then I am going to be done. And so there you have it, a fun wearable pop of orange on the eyes. And one of my eyelashes decided to come off from the inner corners, but that's okay. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and do give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.